All right, it's Friday. We're starting with our rhyme recognition. Sweet, neat. That gets a thumbs up. Sweet, neat rhyme. Rose, nose. Rose and nose rhyme. Good. What, keep. No, they don't rhyme. Red bed. I hope you gave me a thumbs up. Blue you. Good job. Okay, onset fluency, beginning sounds. I'll say it, you repeat it, and then tell me what sound it starts with. Lamp, light. Oh. Wash well. What? Tooth, touch. T. Hear, hand. H. Math, make. Very good. Okay, we're going to blend. D, oo, do. Your turn. B, oo, boo. T, oo, to. Z, oo, zoo. Y, oo, you. Good job. Okay, middle sounds are medial sounds. V, an. A. Good. M, et. E. S, ix. I. R, ak. A. H, ut. Very good. Okay, we're going to segment. Get your choppers out. Lie, ul, I. Your turn. By, b, I. Pie, p, I. My, I. Hi, h, I. Good job. Okay, we're going to add our phoneme. So we're going to start with oo, add g at the beginning to make goo. We have I, add h at the beginning to make high. We have a, add w at the beginning to make way. We have e, add b at the beginning to make e. We have o, add at the beginning to make mo. Good, now I'm deleting a phoneme. We have the word my without what's left? I. We have the word toe without t, what's left? O. We have the word do without d, what's left? Oo. We have the word he without h, what's left? E. We have the word say without s, what's left? A. Good job. Last page. Okay, we're going to substitute. We have the word me, change to wa, and it makes we. We have the word we, change wa to s, and it makes see. We have the word see, change s to b, and it makes be. We have the word be, change b to n, knee. We have the word knee, change n to me. Good job. And we finished our poem yesterday, so you can try it by yourself. I'll say it once, and then I'll let you say it. Roses are red, violets are blue, sugar is sweet, and so are you. Your turn. Good job. Have a great weekend.